I've got a side hustle that nobody is talking about that you can start today. And no, this is not like anything else you've seen online. And you can do this with absolutely no skills or any websites or anything like that. And you're probably asking yourself, how is that possible? But well, if you give me just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible. And any of you that are new here, my name is Austin. I talk about all things online, business, entrepreneurship, and just anything to make money online. So without further ado, let's dive into the computer. And as you can see here, I have a website pulled up as Etsy. For those of you who don't know what Etsy is a platform where people get to sell their products, homemade products. They're customized to order or something like that. So they're usually handmade by the person selling them or somebody within their office. So there's plenty of ways you could go through looking at this, and you could even sell on Etsy, but that's for a whole different video. For this video, we're going to leverage Etsy to find customized products to sell to other people. And again, I said you can do this without a website, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So stay with me here. So let's go to Etsy, and as you can see, Etsy is very easy to navigate. You can just use all of these tabs right here to look for different categories if you don't know what you want to search for. Highly recommend finding something like a niche or something. So let's just go over here, home and living, and let's go down to Watercore. It's the first one. So let's click Watercore. And as you can see here, there's on the left-hand side, you got all different filters ready to ship. So products that maybe are already made and they have inventory. They're ready to ship in 1 business day, 1 to 3 business days, something like that. Maybe you may want to set your price to under $50 or something like that for this method. But I'm not going to do anything in the criteria here because I just want to show you there's plenty of options and plenty of opportunity for you. But let's just browse right here. So if we're just looking through here, and let me see if I can find something I like. I actually like this. Okay, so look, I like this right here. So let me scroll this up. As you can see here, you guys see this welcome sign? It's a welcome sign, front door. This is the company. They have 1,500 reviews on just this product. So it means it's a good product. They're selling quite a bit of them. And in fact, honestly, I can say I have one of these out front on our front porch as well. And you see right here, it's $24. I honestly believe I paid $50, $55, $60 for this over at one of the local stores. I don't know what it was. I don't know, maybe like Hobby Lobby. I don't know what store it was, but it was a local store because I picked it up and I brought it home. I'd much rather have got shipped straight to my house. But you see it's a bestseller. They offer free shipping, which is very good. So let's click this. Now, it said there's more colors available. So this is what it is. You see they got different things. I would definitely pay attention to what they have. But welcome sign, front door, select color. We'll just pick black, or they got different colors, they got different sizes, but you see the prices are variable. So what you would do is you would find a product like this, and then you want to sell that product. So let's say we get this for $24 hypothetically, because that's what it says. So now what we're going to want to do is go over to Facebook. And as you see on the left-hand side, you can open it up and you want to go to what is known as Marketplace. Click Marketplace, and right here on the left-hand side, you can hit Create New Listing. So right here, choose listing type. We're going to do item for sale. And this will give you a preview. It's going to pop up with your preview. This is what your listing will look like. But on the left-hand side, you could add photos. So, and a title and a price. So what I would do is I'd come back over here. I would change this a little bit, but let's say I just wanted to copy this and make it my title. I shouldn't want to copy all of that. Yeah, see, rustic wood welcome sign is probably all I would do. Let's just do that. Rustic wood welcome sign. The price, and they were selling for $23.99. So let's just say we could sell it for $49. And then category, you would put whatever category you want. I'm just going to click stuff right now. I don't really care. Condition, it's new, and then brand is optional. And then I would do a description. I would come over here, I'd take a look at their description, and then I would obviously take just a little bit of information from here about like the sizing and stuff like that. I almost pretty much just take this description, maybe change it a little bit, but you don't want to change it too much because you don't want to, the description is what it is. So that's exactly what you're selling. And then I'd come over here and I would save some of the photos, just right click, save image. And then I would post my images right here on Facebook. And then I would then publish this. And you can publish, I want to say up to 20 groups at a time. And these are local groups, right? So, and you could do this with more than one item. So that's why I say kind of find a niche. And this is like the outdoor, obviously we were in the wall decor, but now I would go with more home decor stuff. Now I would start continuing to post multiple things, and you could post multiple colors, you could post multiple sizes according to this. So definitely just leverage, try to find lower ticket products, price products, and then move them over to Facebook. And then as somebody reaches out to you to purchase this product, you could either ship it to them for free by coming over here, clicking whatever you want. We want to do this. We want to hit add to cart. We'll add it to our cart. And then as we're putting in the shipping information, we could either drop ship it, which would be shipping directly to them, or we could ship it to ourselves and have them pick it up. Definitely you'll be able to see if you start getting a lot of traction. Maybe you want to purchase 2, 3, or 4 of them so you have a little bit of quantity on hand to give out as people start coming through your funnel or through your sales process or from Facebook Marketplace. But you could do this with tons and tons of products. So let's just back out of this product and go back over here, and you see like there could be all kinds of handmade products that people, and you could even offer optional customized stuff, because like custom names and stuff, how it's a personalized metal sign, because you could order a personalized metal sign. So it's just it's transitioning products from here to Facebook Marketplace, maybe locally. Like I know wreaths are a big thing. Some people like wreaths, not holiday wreaths, just any wreaths, but I'll click it. I'll just click holiday wreaths. I know people have wreaths on the door all the time. At the time of this video, it looks like Christmas. So you can come in here and you can promote wreaths and stuff like that. So another thing you might want to do to keep track of everything. So let's say we want to sell this product. You might want to go over to Google, your Google Drive, and then come over here to the Sheets, Google Sheets. And this is like an Excel spreadsheet. You could just hit blank, add a new sheet. And then you could literally just take and copy the URL right here, and obviously you want to label this and everything, and we'll just drop it in here as this is that. That'll be the product itself, and then moving over, you want to do all your stuff and adjust your text and everything in your boxes, but you would want to put your price and everything like that. So price like $5, but this will give you an easy place to come in here and just click that link to go make that purchase as people come through and purchase on Facebook. It'll let you organize all your different products. I'd be like wreath, and then I would hit put the listing in there or whatever, just like that. And then obviously I would make it, I have everything fit inside of the boxes like that or whatever. I think you could actually format that to fit better. And then I would put the price. I'd do like price here would be like $35 shipping. So I would write up top price. Moved it, and then move this one over slightly. Do like shipping, how much it costs. Shipping was free, so there's $0 shipping charge. And then what do I plan on selling it for? And then my profit margins. So this will give you a place to organize it, absolutely free as well. I'm obviously not doing a good job, but I hope that helps you get a good understanding of how this works. So recap, I know that was a super quick video, but go over to Etsy. You could literally search for any category you want. Find a product that you want. Like I said, I would really go click under $50. Try to find lower ticket products. It'll be easier to sell. And then come over to Facebook Marketplace. List an item for sale. You just list all in here. And there's no harm in this. If no one buys it, it's not a big deal. You don't own the product. You need to purchase in the inventory. But if they do purchase it for say $20 more than what you have to pay for it, and your shipping's free, you literally just go back to Etsy, click add to cart, finish your purchase, and then as soon as you receive the item, or if you want to just ship it directly to the person that purchased it through, tell them, hey, it'll be finished in 3 days. If you PayPal me, you'll just ship it to them. You can ship it directly to them, and then at which point in time you profit $20. Super simple business model. Highly effective. You can do this in many of niches. So I hope that helped. Again, if you're new here, please subscribe, smash that like button for more videos like this. And as always, stay tuned for tomorrow.